Welcome to the world of the emerald green Cory catfish.
Scientifically known as Brocchi splendens, the species is an absolute classic.
The beautiful bottom dweller originates from the vast Amazon River basin.
Belonging to the Caligulaceae family, the fish features a very robust body.
A brilliant emerald green iridescence covers the entire upper body. The metallic green scales reflect the bright aquarium light like a swimming jewel.
Notice the highly subtle and beautiful pinkish hue covering the lower belly.
The impressive fish reaches a maximum size of around 9 centimeters.
The 9-centimeter size makes the fish significantly larger than standard Corydoras.
The active bottom feeder spends the day foraging through the fine substrate. The diligent worker helps remove uneaten food from the bottom layout.
The emerald green Cory acts as an exceptional cleanup crew member. Constant bottom foraging keeps the aquatic environment completely clean and fresh.
Highly sensitive facial barbels help the fish locate hidden food particles.
Fincherzen. The species adapts perfectly to environments featuring dense aquatic vegetation.
The fish demonstrates a completely peaceful and highly gentle personality.
Welcome. The gentle nature makes the fish perfect for any community aquarium. Always keep the highly social fish in a dedicated schooling group.
Schooling together gives the emerald green Cory absolute confidence and security.
The extremely easy care level makes the fish wonderful for beginners.
Provide a minimum tank volume of 30 gallons or 115 liters. Natural driftwood structures replicate the wild Amazonian river habitats perfectly.
Large shaded rock caves offer a wonderful place for daytime resting.
All green aquatic plants make the bottom dweller feel entirely at home.
Maintain the water temperature cool between 20 and 22 degrees.
The slightly cooler water environment keeps the large catfish extremely healthy.
The ideal pH level ranges from 6.8 to 7.2.
The fish thrives wonderfully in strictly neutral and clean freshwater conditions.
Keep the water hardness level carefully between 8 and 10.
The omnivorous fish readily eats leftover community flakes from the bottom.
Specialized sinking bottom feeder pellets provide the perfect daily nutrition.
Frozen bloodworms provide massive protein boosts for the large catfish.
The fish digs the snout deep into the sand, searching for worms.
The schooling group will happily swarm a highly nutritious sinking wafer.
A totally round and healthy belly indicates a completely balanced diet.
During the breeding season, the active male courts the plumper female.
The female holds the sticky eggs carefully between the ventral fins.
The female meticulously cleans a broad green leaf surface before spawning.
The fish attaches the tiny eggs firmly to the cleaned plant leaf.
Sometimes the female will place eggs directly onto the smooth glass.
An incredible 1,000 eggs can be produced during a single season.
A massive cluster of eggs requires excellent oxygenation to hatch successfully. Always remove the adult catfish to prevent the eggs from being eaten. The tiny fry will hatch and swim weakly near the bottom gravel.
The species features a highly distinct and impressive high-backed profile. The fish occasionally darts to the surface to gulp fresh atmospheric air. The catfish returns instantly to the bottom, immediately after taking a breath. The emerald green colors look completely spectacular against dark brown backgrounds.
The fish brings an incredible burst of shimmering color to the bottom.
The gentle fish rests quietly in the shadows cast by large plants.
Bottom dweller completely ignores fast-moving fish in the middle column.
Strong pectoral fins help prop up the heavy body on the sand.
Clear and alert eyes continuously scan the surrounding substrate for food.
The strong fish swims vigorously against the gentle flow of the filter. The schooling group creates a highly entertaining and dynamic wiggling swimming motion.
Avoid sharp substrates to absolutely protect the highly sensitive facial barbels.
A routine weekly water change keeps the aquatic environment perfectly stable.
The slightly translucent tail fin propels the heavy body forward efficiently.
The large schooling group establishes a totally peaceful and stable hierarchy. The fish navigates seamlessly through highly complex and intricate rock hardscape designs.
The emerald green Cory looks exactly like a premium luxury bottom feeder.
The extreme resilience makes the species absolutely perfect for community-planted tanks.
The completely harmless fish interacts perfectly safely with small freshwater ornamental snails.
The morning lights instantly awaken the energetic and hungry catfish school.
The fish explores the deep corners for entirely undisturbed daytime resting spots.
Notice the highly distinct overlapping scale armor along the lateral line.
Behold the large and highly majestic beauty of the emerald green Cory.
The species brings an undeniable tropical elegance to the bottom layout.
The intelligent fish waits eagerly right at the feeding zone every afternoon.
Plants. The incredible metallic green colors completely overpower the dark green background plants.
Once completely relaxed, the fish spreads out widely across the bottom sand.
The fish provides an endless display of highly entertaining motion.
The brockie serves as the absolute perfect premium centerpiece for Amazon biotopes.
The vibrant fish makes even the dullest tank decorations look instantly beautiful.
Color-enhancing LED lighting makes the emerald green body visually explode.
Highly oxygenated water ensures the absolute best health condition for the fish.
The careful fish completely ignores the delicate leaves of expensive aquatic plants.
The active foraging behavior never uproots the delicate green carpet plants.
A large school creates a truly unforgettable and entirely mesmerizing visual masterpiece. The perfectly plump and healthy body shape is a highly impressive marvel.
The strong fish swims continuously without showing any signs of resting fatigue.
The cautious fish reacts very quickly to sudden shadows passing overhead.
The confident fish always returns quickly to the open sand area.
The calm fish interacts peacefully with daily tank maintenance cleaning tools.
The completely motionless fish blends perfectly into the complex green environment.
Notice the slightly lighter coloration located directly on the underside belly. The fish checks every single natural fallen leaf for hidden microscopic food.
The species provides a highly engaging entry point into premium catfish keeping. The fish looks exactly like an armored knight patrolling the aquatic kingdom.
Add the spectacular emerald green Cory to the freshwater community aquarium today.
Keep your water clean and your premium catfish incredibly happy.
Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing bottom feeder fish guides. Hit the bell to join the massive global aquatic fish keeping community.
Do you own the beautiful emerald green Cory? Tell us below.
The emerald green Cory is a true 5-star addition for beginners.
Always remember to appreciate the wonderful cleanup crews in your beautiful aquarium.
See you in the absolute next amazing and exciting aquatic adventure. Stay highly passionate about the incredible and highly rewarding aquarium keeping hobby.
The Aquatic Lie is your ultimate home for everything related to fish keeping.
The Aquatic Lie. Happy fish keeping.